As manufacturing moves toward higher precision, higher efficiency, and integrated production, molds have become more than basic production tools. They are essential to product quality, production efficiency, and long-term manufacturing stability. Located in Chengdu, Sichuan, our company has been deeply engaged in the plastic mold industry for more than 20 years. Today, we are a full-chain plastic mold solution provider, integrating product development, mold design, manufacturing, surface treatment, and finished product assembly. Technology is the core of innovation. We have built a professional R&D and design team of more than 30 engineers and specialists. Our core members each have over 10 years of industry experience. With strong technical expertise and rich project experience, we efficiently solve complex challenges in plastic mold design. We provide practical solutions for product structure optimization, performance improvement, and customized development. Precision manufacturing is the foundation of our production capability. In mold manufacturing, we rely on advanced equipment, strict process control, and a skilled production team. More than 60 technical professionals participate throughout production and quality management. Our workshop is equipped with a complete range of high-precision machining equipment. Each process is closely connected and efficiently coordinated. At present, our monthly mold production capacity remains stable at more than 60 sets. We are capable of independently completing the full process manufacturing of various molds within 30 tons. With both efficiency and precision, we deliver stable and reliable results. For injection molding, we have established a complete and flexible production system. We are equipped with more than 40 vertical and horizontal injection molding machines, clamping forces ranging from 60 tons to 1,300 tons. The maximum weight of a single molded part can reach 6.5 kilograms. This allows us to meet the needs of different product sizes, structures, and application scenarios. We support both mass production and small batch customization. Efficient post-processing ensures complete product delivery. With high-precision screen printing equipment and standardized assembly lines, our experienced team can complete screen printing, hot stamping, assembly, and other key processes with accuracy and consistency. From semi-finished plastic parts to finished products, every step is managed under a standardized production system. This enables one-stop finished product delivery, improves service efficiency, and helps customers reduce overall costs. Quality is our foundation. We have established a strict full-process quality control system and have obtained both ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 certifications. Our inspection equipment includes high-precision 2D measuring instruments and coordinate measuring machines. Standardized SOP and SIP procedures are applied throughout the entire production process. With stable and reliable quality, we have earned long-term trust from our partners. Our products are widely used in instruments and meters, electronics and electrical appliances, medical devices and consumables, aerospace, automotive parts, police equipment, rail transportation, and many other fields. The company has been recognized as a national high-tech enterprise and has obtained more than 50 independent invention patents. These achievements provide strong technical support for our long-term development. For more than 20 years, we have remained committed to honesty, integrity, and continuous improvement. Supported by technology, trusted for quality, and driven by service, we will continue to improve its integrated plastic mold solutions and move steadily toward high-quality development.